In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Mi TV Stick. Or if you're having any other issue with the YouTube app on your Mi TV Stick, like the YouTube app not opening or you not being able to play videos from the YouTube app on your Mi TV Stick, this tutorial will give you 3 solutions that will definitely help you fix any issue you have with the YouTube app on your Mi TV Stick. Now for the first solution, basically you just want to go ahead and turn off your TV. So just turn off your TV and then go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall socket. Wait for about 5 minutes, then proceed to connect back the TV to the wall socket. This is basically hard restarting the TV. Go ahead and turn back your TV on. And this time, before you proceed to connect your Mi TV to the Wi-Fi or Hotspot network, you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi or Hotspot network is actually good. So you can try connecting other devices to your Wi-Fi or Hotspot just to be sure that the problem is not from your Wi-Fi network and there is actually internet access. Once this is done, you can go ahead and try opening up the YouTube app once again on your Mi TV Stick, and trust me, it will most likely work out for you. But if after trying this, you're still having the problem of YouTube can't connect on your Mi TV Stick, another thing you can actually do to fix this issue is to just make sure that the date and time on your Mi TV Stick is actually correct and also the same as the date and time on your Wi-Fi or your router. To do this, you can just head over to the settings of your Mi TV Stick. So come over to the settings icon over here. Now scroll down to device preferences, and then under the date and time settings, you want to make sure that automatic date and time is turned on or set to use network provided time. Now you can come back to your Wi-Fi network and then just go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on once again. Proceed to connect your Mi TV Stick to your Wi-Fi network again and then try opening up the YouTube app this time around. And trust me, once you click on the try again option, this will most likely fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Mi TV Stick, and it might also help you fix any other issue that you might be having with the YouTube app on your Mi TV Stick. As you can see, my YouTube app now works properly. My final solution to fix any issue with the YouTube app on your Mi TV Stick is to go ahead and clear the cache of the YouTube app on your Mi TV Stick. So basically, you want to head over to the settings once again, and from the settings over here, you just want to scroll down to apps section. Now go ahead and select the see all apps option over here, and then from here you just want to go ahead and select the YouTube app. It is usually at the bottom. Select the YouTube app and then just scroll down to where you have the clear cache option over here. Click on clear cache and then click on OK, and then as well you want to go ahead and click on clear data. Clearing the data will actually log you out of the YouTube app, so just go ahead and select it and you should be able to use the YouTube app now without any issue. So I can go ahead and open up the YouTube app now, and you can literally see that it works pretty well without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.